starts with this this moving bass line. That's what the left hand's doing. On the here's what the right hand's doing. On the thumbs on the open E, and the hammering on the E string, A sharp to B. Playing the other half of the rhythm is playing the second and third strings, index and little fingers. And here's the first melody line: E, F sharp, G to B. To B. It was E minor, bar 9, to the bar 7 B major chord, back to the E minor position. Then, same thing. To a D chord at the 5th and 7th frets, to G. Bar G at the 3rd fret. D. That's the same moving bass line there with the F sharp to open D. And then we'll slide down to F sharp, and now to the C chord. We'll pull off on that F sharp to back to E minor. Now the third line. Up to that to C. Back to B. D7 chord. There's that moving bass again. Play the D7 with your first, third, and fourth strings fingers. One more time. E major chord there. And it changes to a different key for the second section. I'll try to do that too if you like it. Let me know if you like this. Just don't always do things this way, but I'm responding to a message I got from one of my subscribers. Peace.